Desert Oasis inspections in a new build home, attic of a new build home out in Santan, Queen Creek. Was checking out the air handler, had it running right now, the AC system running, and when I was up here and kind of just sitting around and checking things out, I felt a nice cool breeze and found that we have some openings in the plenum of the air conditioner air handler, which is allowing air to escape into the attic and not going to the interior of the home, which is where we'd like to see it. So would recommend properly seal this cabinet so that all the conditioned air goes to the inside of the home by the builder. Come on, man.